Look at the sunset of Sri Lanka. Very nice sunset. The day is 6 o'clock in the evening already. Tingnan nyo naman po, ang ganda-ganda ng sunset niya po. Yan. Ito po yung port ng Sri Lanka. Yan. Okay. Oh my God. Eh. See?
RCB